Hello YouTube. Here's my latest find. Vorwerk upright vacuum cleaner. And this is from 1986 and fairly good condition. I have taken all apart and cleaned it best I can. But biggest reason I bought this was this powerhead. So this is, I really like, it's very heavy. And here's indication how you set this height of this roller. So when you turn this off and this doesn't light up, then you change this setting so long then this lights up. It changes this belt thickness or how tight this belt is. More to go to bigger numbers, this actually lowers this brush, but this brush is almost non-used. Now it's rubbing against this sole plate. So I go to this one, but I cannot use this because I have noticed that this belt is way too, see, it's this loose. I have to order new from eBay. It doesn't cost much, but I am very sad that I can't use this. This would be very nice. But I will be coming back when I get the belt. And later you find why this connection have been taken off. Okay, so now I saw the rating plate. So there's the 250 watts. Not very big motor, but this is direct air machine. So it doesn't need so many ducting and everything. Air part of this is very simple. Fan is right here, and it's not very small fan. I mean, it creates a nice airflow. I saw it later. There was this rubber missing. It's zip ties attached here to the bag, and here's the back. Okay, now you can see. There was one problem with this. Here's this from CANISTER, my CANISTER vacuum cleaner, this back. If I can take this. It's just like this. I have used this. There's flap. It prevents any debris going back to the cleaner, and there's also flap here. Okay. Now I close this. This is quite tricky, but once you get it going, it's easier. Okay. Now there's this quick release cord hook, just like this. And I plug this in. Now let's change the angle. Turn it on. Yes, there's some strange noises coming from the flap here. It's like this going, and that's why it makes that. And the bearing from the motor is somewhat dry. But now I forgot this. There's this hook. No, it's not in the way. Now I saw something what I did modify, how I modify one thing. Okay, now I have my meal overhead connected to it. There's just this quickly made connection, and here is the actual connection for the powerhead. Sorry, I have quite a flu, but I really wanted to make this video. Okay, let's see. So yes, now it's working like it should. Much better. Then some testing. The usual sawdust. I don't put too much. Okay, let's go. So it really grabs the carpet and lifts it up. This is lightweight low pile carpet, and wow, this is my new favorite. Without powerhead not so much, but with this powerhead now I really like this. And now some vacuuming sawdust from this hard to get clean so colored carpet. Okay, we'll do it. Full bearings. And by the way, this back is totally green. This is not showing in the camera very well. Thank you and goodbye.